heart of Kentucky is agriculture. Through generations and across the Commonwealth, Kentuckians have built a legacy of hard work and dedication to the land. For 160 years, the University of Kentucky has been at the forefront of progress, empowering farmers, driving innovation through research, and shaping the future through education. Through grainy reels and faded frames, we've captured this progress. From the western Golden Plains to the ridges of the east. From horse-drawn plows to towering combines. From sun-up to sundown. Step back in time with us and rediscover the people and innovations that have shaped the agriculture we know today. This is the UK Martin-Gatton Cafe Classics channel, a window into the past. Welcome to the archive.